Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. As the monsoon has arrived, so I thought why not share a monsoon makeup with you guys. So let's get started with the video and I will give you some tips here and there what to use and what not to use in monsoon. So let's get started with the video. Okay guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and please like and share my videos. So now let's get started with the videos. So first we will go with Nykaa Prep Up. You have to take a very less amount. This will help to blur out your pores. Okay guys, now I am taking the foundation. You have to take a waterproof foundation which is very good for monsoon climate. This is Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour Flawless Foundation. It's a very good foundation for monsoon season. So you can take any foundation which is waterproof. I'll just show you what's written. Full coverage foundation, 24 hour wear and oil control and shine free foundation, and it does not clog pores. So it's a very good foundation for monsoons. You can try this foundation. You have to take a little bit. So now I'm just concealing my under eyes. I'm not applying powder all over my face. I'll just conceal my under eye. Now I'm taking for blush. You don't have to use any powder blush for monsoon. So I'm using this Benefit Cheek Tint. So this will not go away if you get wet also in rain, and this is a very good product for your cheeks and it will give you a very fresh look. You can use the cheek tint which we have made. I will link it above. So you can use that also. I'm using this Benefit cheek tint. Take a beauty blender and just blend it. This will give you a very fresh look. You can see. I've applied this cheek tint on my cheeks. Now we can apply on our lips also. After that we'll apply. After applying the tint, you can take eyeshadow. So now you don't have to apply a powdered eyeshadow. So I am taking this Faces Ka, or I have two, Wet n Wild and Faces. So I am applying this one, Faces Ultimate Pro Eyeshadow Crayon. You have to take a stick crayon, cream based. So I am applying this. Just blend it properly. This is a very nice product. It's Careless Whisper, and it will not purge also. So you can use this in monsoon season. Don't use powdered eyeshadow. Now this you can use as a highlighter also. So I am using this only for highlighter. We have this powdered product, but we will not use this. If you want to use this, what you can do is you can take your moisturizer, mix this and then apply it. Now I am applying this. This will give you 2-in-1 effect, so you can use this as an eyeshadow also and as a highlighter also. I will use it here also. Now I am applying mascara. The mascara should be waterproof because mascara is, if you can avoid, please avoid mascaras because it can be very problematic for you all if you get wet in rains. So this is a waterproof mascara, guys. So I am taking this mascara and applying very little. After that I am using a kajal. Use a waterproof kajal. Okay guys, now we are using lipstick. You have to use a waterproof, transfer proof lipstick. This is Shembor Extreme Wear transfer proof lipstick. It's a very good lipstick. Don't use any cream based lipstick. Use a waterproof lipstick and a liquid lipstick, so that will stay for longer times. So I am using this. Guys, I have wet my face to show you. This is a nice waterproof makeup. You can also try. Okay guys, you can see my makeup is done and we are ready for monsoons. Okay guys, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified for that. Bye guys, stay healthy, take care, bye.